What's up guys, here we are with another video tutorial. This one is for customizing your Instagram profile information. It's a very important thing because this is the first thing that people will see when they open your account. It's a very easy thing to do, so let's get started. First thing you have to know is that you have to edit your Instagram profile on your computer. You cannot do this on your phone. So in your browser you have to type custom Instagram fonts. I'm using these first three websites, but if someone knows a different website with a different font, please share it with us in the comments below. I'm sure everyone will be very thankful for that. So let me show you how it works. I already opened these three websites for you, and this is the first one. As you can see, on your left you have to type the text, and on your right it generates all of the fonts that you can use. So let's say we like this one. You select it, just click copy, go to your Instagram account and go to edit your profile. From here, as you can see, I already edited mine. You just have to paste the text and that's it. Click save, and let me show how it looks on my phone. You see, this is before and this is after. Okay, so the other two websites work almost the same. I think I like this one the most because here you have not only these custom fonts, as you can see, but also you can add different shapes, whatever you like. It's very customizable, so you can add whatever you want. So let's say I want this, okay, and that's it. You have to just copy it. You can copy it from here or just click copy and then paste it. It's the same way. And this is the third website. It works the same way again. You just have to type your text here and then choose your font, copy and paste it. That's it. It's very simple, very easy. Okay guys, I want to show you one bonus tip for today, and this is how you can center your text in Instagram profile. As you can see here, this drone photography is in the center, but this cannot be done by using your spacebar. For example, I will delete this. Too much, okay, and then click save. Okay, you see it's all the way to the left. Let's say I want to be in the center, and I'm doing this by adding space with my spacebar. Okay, this is in the center. Click save and see nothing changed. So the way to add your space here, let me delete it again. You have to search in your browser how to center text in Instagram profile. From here you have to copy this blank space between the arrows. You copy it, go to your profile and paste it before the word that you want to be in the center. But it may not work every time. It depends on the font that you use, the words that you're using. So let me show you. If I click save here, you see it's too much to the right. So to fix that, I have to delete some of this blank space. For me, it's like that. Okay, let's refresh, and now it's in the center. That's it guys. As you can see, it's very easy to customize your Instagram profile. If that tutorial was helpful for you, please give a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Also make sure to follow my Instagram account. I will leave a link in the description below. I share a lot of drone photography from Sofia and the places I visit. Thanks for watching. See you next time.